trusting God. When He say yes, none can say no. Oh, Echebuka. God's time is the best in life. Never lose hope. Trusting God. When He says yes, none can say no.
Good! Sotima!
Fine.
Good! Man!
Fine.
God, you got me now. I'm back, man. I'm back!
Fine, when did you come back?
I came a few days ago, man. Sotima, Jesus!
Hey!
God, I can't believe
You look good!
Man, look at me now. Look at me, Sotima! I was actually driving to the house to see your mama. Hey, where are you going to?
Fine.
Sure, it's fine. Where are you going to now?
I was going to Lagos now to hustle.
Forget that Lagos, forget the hustle, man. I'm back, man. I'm made. Look at me, man. I have money. Guy, get this guy. Let's go see mama now. Why are you trying to go to Lagos? Forget to sit down and walk. We have made money. Yeah, we have made money. Enter the car.
You fine?
This time is the best in life. Never lose hope. Trusting God. When He says yes, none can say no. Ooh, Echebuka, Madu Abora Chuku, Oge.
Don't worry. Ijega Bijo.
I know, but I'm going to miss him.
Oh, you will miss him. Mommy, Jugo.
Mama.
Nah. Hey, travelers, you're back. Continue. Eh?
Mama, do you remember him?
Onye?
My friend.
Mama.
Nah. Your friend, which?
Sit down.
Calm down.
Oh,
Mama, Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi, my friend, the one you sold your land for.
Ifeanyi Afonu. Hey!
Mama.
Afonu Wakadikwa.
Mama. Oh, you don't kiss somebody.
Look at this boy.
So you have not changed.
Can I change? You do change.
Hey, Mama, I've changed though.
Hey, you're welcome.
Mama, thank you so
Hey,
much.
thank
you so
God for
very
journey
much.
mercies.
I thank God, Mama.
Mama, I saw him on my way out of the village.
Yes.
He asked after you. I said you're home. He said we should come and see.
Oh, Ifeanyi.
Mama, I've missed you.
I've
It's
missed
been
you
a long time.
No, Mom, no.
And who is this beautiful young lady here?
Oh, I didn't tell you. That's my wife. Okay.
So you've married and you didn't even care to tell me now?
No. I tried to reach you, Ifeanyi. I called your number severally, but it was unavailable.
I'm so sorry, okay? Yes, I remember. You know, when I got to the States, I lost my phone and all the contacts.
You lost your phone in the States. So people lose
swear.
their phones there.
That place be like Nigeria. If you don't wise, they go chop you. Hi, Mama. I'm so happy to see everybody.
Same here, Mom. Now, congratulations. What a matter.
Mama, I bought a lot of things for you from the States, so.
For me?
Fendi Ocha.
Hey!
Fendi Ocha for everybody. And that reminds me, man, I'll be leaving this in 3 days' time and I want you to come with me.
You're leaving to the city in 3 days'
time. We don't have much time. We have to start preparing. Okay?
You want me to come with you?
Why are you talking like that now? You come with me now. Come on now. Why do you like that? Like, we can make money. So we'll take care of Mama now. Oh, well, we have to start preparing. Come on, huh? We're gonna start. Mama?
Well, look at this car.
Mama, it's our car, don't mind.
Fine, how did it happen?
My mom fell. I started vomiting blood.
That's how she died. Hey. I just can't believe that right now that I'm an orphan. Just in 3 months. 3 months, Soshima, 3 months. I don't have a father, I don't have a mother, I don't have a sister, neither do I have a brother. Just me in this wicked world. How do I cope? My God. I'm really sorry about your loss, but you have to be a man. Pull yourself together. Huh? Please stop crying. God knows why. Please.
Mama,
I'm here for you.
Hey.
It's okay. I'm here for you. Huh?
I owe you a lot, Great Ataba, for all the wonderful works you have been doing for me. You are a great man. But since the death of my brother, I have not been happy. I trained my brother. You know everything. I trained him. Even when our father died, I buried him with my money. It is me that did everything in the family. He has nothing to offer. But since he died, the son, a very small boy, a small rat, has been challenging me. Has been dragging the property with me. Listen, you know that everything that belongs to my brother belongs to me. Automatically, it is my own. All the assets, all the lands, everything, even if he has wives, they belong to me, traditionally. So, I want you to get rid of that boy. I don't want to see him on my way again. Get it, Taba.
Like I said before, that young boy has a strong spirit. He has a strong chi. You cannot kill him. I cannot kill him and nobody can. The spirit behind him is very strong.
Great Taba. If you cannot kill him, as you said, if he has a strong spirit, he has a strong, I don't know what he has, but I want you to make him weak. Make him weak spiritually. Make him weak so that everything I do, he will obey me. Whatever I say, he will accept it. Let him be following my path. Even when I want to sell everything, let him conquer. Let him be following me. Let him be following me around. Is that one too difficult, Great Taba? Is it difficult?
As he say, I can't. As he say, Bernard. Maybe I do.
Eh?
Maybe I do.
Hey, Great Taba. That is why I talk about you.
I already have his picture. Consider it done.
Hey, Great Taba. Listen, as long as you keep working for me, you will never lack anything good. I will make sure I'll be showering you. Listen, I will reciprocate. Eh? I will make sure you are happy.
Ana get body cannot go on. Possibly can get me.
I told you to no.
Hello? Hello? Soshima. Moya, how are you now? Moya, I'm not fine. I'm not fine at all. I'm not fine. How's Mama? Okay. No, I'm just coming from Mami Ipka's shop, and I started my uncle in one of my father's land, the one that is remaining after he has sold for 4 of the lands already, and I think I'm suspecting that man is about to sell that land again, I just don't understand. Me, I'm not happy. I just don't know what to do. What kind of woman being is that? Man is so wicked. I saw him. He was with some group of boys. I wanted to go uncomfortable. You get me the camera now. So Shima, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I just don't know what to do. This man is very, very wicked. What do you want to do? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, now. Alright, I'm coming. You see me now. Okay, thank you. I am not happy at all. I mean, look at my mother's death. It seems very mysterious now. It Let's be serious. My mother just fell down and slept on the blow. That was it. This is not ordinary. I can't believe it. This is not ordinary.
Ifeanyi, I understand how you feel. But you can't keep thinking about this. You have to move on with your life. Huh? Focus on moving on, please. You can't keep being like this. Your mother is gone. She's not coming back.
It's not easy to move on though. It's not easy. Honestly. Look at me. Today I'm an orphan. No father, no mother. Nothing. Huh? Just me in this wicked world. Huh?
What about your uncle? Has he come to see you?
That man. He came only once. But something doesn't seem right. I'm suspecting that man. His hand must be in the death of my parents. That man.
Ifeanyi, please don't say what you're not sure of. You can't accuse people wrongly. I understand how you feel, but you have to be sure before you start pointing fingers. Please.
Okay, no problem. Since God has decided to make me an orphan. No problem.
It's fine. And you have to watch what you say so that you don't get God angry. My brother, it's okay. Please. Huh? Pull yourself together. And keep praying. I believe everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be okay. But you have to stop thinking about the past. And move on. You're still young.
Soshima, I am trying my best.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm trying my best.
And don't say things you're not sure of. You can get into trouble because of that.
I can't thank you enough because you have been there for me.
It's okay.
True pain and time when it's like
It's okay.
I can't thank you enough.
Everything will be fine. Fine. It's okay.
Hi. Hello? Hello? Hello, Stanley, can you hear me? Yes. Have fun now, eh? I've sent you the 100k and since now I'm not heard from you. What is going on, eh? No, it's not like that now. You know this is my only opportunity to leave this country now. Stanley, please, I can't afford to lose this opportunity, please, eh? What is going on? Please tell me. Okay, no problem. Please, it's not as if I'm rushing you, just that I'm so... Okay, no problem, eh? Thank you so much, I appreciate it, thank you. Thank you so much, God will bless you. Okay, now, I'll call you. Okay. Hello, Sammy. Yes, I got your message this morning. Wow, are you serious? Philmond, please remind me I forgot to. Oh, yes, I remember now. I'm so sorry, okay? I'll run around and see if I can raise the money. No problem. Thank you very much, okay? Thank you for all your efforts and everything. I appreciate, okay? Thank you so much. Do I get this kind of money from? Eh? Do I get this kind of money? Right now, I am totally confused. Like, I don't know what to do. My visa is out and I don't even have money to travel out or for other expenses. This is giving me sleepless nights too.
Fine. This is good news. But we have to be careful so it doesn't turn to bad news.
I know it's good news. I know this is my only opportunity to better my life. To come out of poverty. See, if I lose this opportunity, I'll just poison myself and die.
Stop saying that now. How? Poison yourself how? But wait, how much are we talking about here?
1 million naira. 1 million naira will be okay.
1 billion? Hey! But if I don't have 1 million naira to give you. And you equally don't have that type of money. So what do we do?
Man, I'm so confused. I'm so confused.
Wait,
huh?
don't be confused.
So
Calm down, calm
confused.
down. Be relaxed, relax. We have to think of what to do.
I don't have much time.
Okay, listen. This is what we're going to do. I'll run around and see how much I can raise. Huh? Then you also run around and see how much you can raise.
Yes,
Do you understand?
yeah,
Then we can put them together.
Oh my God. Bro, God will bless you so much.
But that's the only option now.
Much, man. I know that's the only option, but bro,
It's
not
okay.
everybody will do this for me. Not everybody will do it for
It's
me.
okay. You're like a younger brother to
You've
me.
always been there for me, man. I appreciate, okay?
It's okay.
I do appreciate.
It's okay. See, this money is a lot.
I know it's
But
okay.
we have to do something. Eh? Let me see what I can come up with. Then also go and hustle and see what you can come up with.
Of course, there's one works if I one side like that. So I'll be going there this afternoon.
No problem.
So I can make up some money now.
Eh? Mama, please, I want you to understand. Ifeanyi is like a younger brother to me. He's a very good boy. Traveling abroad might be his only way of making it in life. Mama, please.
So you expect me to sell my own piece of land? Let's say you now take the proceeds, hand them over to Ifeanyi so he can travel abroad. Do you know that land is the only piece of land that I own?
Mama, I understand how you feel, but Ifeanyi is a very good boy. I strongly believe Ifeanyi will not forget us when he gets there. I don't want him to lose this opportunity of traveling. Mama, please.
Do you know that if I die, there's no inheritance? Ofija can I jekide. He was kind to everyone. When he died, what happened? Nobody showed up. Oh. And now you're telling me to sell my only piece of land. And you hand over the money to somebody. He's saying he's like a brother. On your mother.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Don't let him miss this opportunity of, having a better life. Mama, please.
Since your instincts tell you that he will remember you whenever, and you're so sure and convinced, Ifeanyi ga-akwụnyelu gị in future. Go ahead. Go ahead, sell the land. I give you my permission.
Mama, thank you so much. Chukwu gozie gị. From here now, all the way down there. Can you see that tree?
The short one
No,
on the
no,
top?
the one behind the short one.
Okay.
Okay. Then to this place. You see this tree now? There.
Okay. I've seen it. I want to help you. I want to make your life better. I'll give you 500,000. 500,000. You got life here.
Huh?
Why are you staring at me? 500 catch in your book. You come up a lot. 500,000.
500,000. I'm sorry, I can't sell my mother's land for 500,000. Somebody already offered 700.
And I'm mad. What kind of talk is that? Somebody. So what am I doing here? Bro, see, I can afford 500. Talk before I change my mind.
No, I said I'm not selling for 500.
You mean?
Yes, someone offered me 700. I have not sold it.
And I'll slow you, bro. I've not sold it. Can you afford 500,000 and you are here?
Oga, leave this place. I'm not selling. Is it by force?
I'm okay now. I am a moving train. Once I leave, I'm going. I'm not coming back.
No, but I told you I'm not selling for 500. Somebody offered me 700 and I refused to sell. What do you mean?
Why I want help? Why are they there now? 500,000 I want to give you. They talk this way they talk. Remain there now. Okay, listen, I'm going. 500, I'll give you 500. That's all. I'm going, no. I'm a moving train. I'm not going to go back. Why are they there now? I'm going away. 500,000. Make I change your life. Now you go to here.
And it's very genuine. It's my mother's land. So I just wanted to see.
And I'm giving you 800k.
800?
Yeah, that's what I'm
doing. I'm sorry, sir. I can't sell it for that price.
Right?
Sir, I can do 1.5 million, sir. 1,500,000.
No, it's much for me. It's much.
It's much?
Yes. Okay, let me give you 900. Let's stop it.
900?
Yes, 900.
900 is too... Did you see the land I showed you?
Yes, I have seen it. I have seen it.
It's 100 by 100, though.
I have seen it.
Huh?
I have seen it.
Okay. I can't sell it for that. I'm sorry, I can't sell it for that price.
You can't?
No.
What about 1 million naira? It's my last price.
1 million?
Yes, 1 million. Let's stop it.
No, I can't sell it for 1 million. Can we do 1.2 million?
No. 1 million is what I'm bargaining for.
I can't do 1.
And that's what I'm ready to do.
It's too small. That land is very big now.
Okay.
Huh? I can only do to 1.2 million.
1 million is my last price.
No problem, sir. Alright. Okay, come now. Okay, is that your best?
That's my last price.
Give me 1.2 million now.
1 million naira is what I'm bargaining for. And that's what I can give to you.
Okay, no problem. I'll come.
Tomorrow by 4 p.m. I'm coming to see you. I bring the money in cash to you.
By 4 p.m.?
Yeah, tomorrow. Definitely.
This is ₦1 million.
Jesus. Wait, is this it? I don't understand. Shima! Where did you get this money from?
Fine, listen to me. I had to sell my mother's land. It was very tough initially because the person who came to buy offered me 500,000 and I said no. The second person came and offered 700,000 and I said no. The last person said 900,000. I said no. Then he now offered to pay ₦1 million. So Ifeanyi, this is ₦1 million.
You must be joking, right?
Listen to me.
No,
hold this money.
Ha! Soshima!
Listen.
Jeez!
Keep quiet. No. I don't want people to know. I don't want people to know. Listen. You have to go and get your ticket and travel.
How will get my ticket?
Go and hide this money. Hide this money. I had to use. Listen. Get up now. Get up. Hey. See, I had to use that bag so that nobody will know. Yes. Buy your ticket and travel.
They wouldn't find out.
Don't let. See.
I hid this under my mother's bed.
Don't let people see. They will steal it.
Don't see that. The money is safe. Hey, Soshima, I can't.
About you.
How can I forget about you? You're the reason why I'm traveling. I can't forget about you. I swear.
It's okay. God be with you. Alright.
You bring my one for me, okay?
Bye-bye. That was how I helped him travel out of the country. Yes. We even sold Mama's land. We sold Mama's land. Initially, Mama said no. When he traveled, I was happy for him. I told him he would do well because I've known him for a while and he's a very smart young man. After a while, I tried to call him on the phone, but unfortunately for me, his numbers were not reachable. But I told Mama that, Mama, you see this Ifeanyi? Don't worry, he won't forget you. He'll come back. He'll remember you and he'll come back. Mama refused. Mama said it's a lie. But eventually he came back.
Chai. You see? You see why it's good to be good?
Yes.
Your good deeds of years ago is about to pay off now.
I know.
Hey.
I know. I'm so happy for him. Did you see his car?
I saw it.
Do you like it?
It's fine.
I'll buy my own very soon.
I know you will.
I'll buy something bigger.
I believe you.
It's still like a movie. I mean, they look at us.
Yeah.
Wow. This is for us.
Yes.
No more farm work.
No.
No more selling vegetables.
No.
It feels like a dream.
I know. I'm short of words, honestly. Patience is a virtue.
I agree.
I tell people to be patient because a patient person will smile at last. Thank you for being patient with me. The moment you came into my life, everything became easy. God blessed me. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I love you.
God, I love you so much. Boss.
So tell me, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes. I want us to travel somewhere because we deserve it.
You want us to travel?
Yes.
Where?
Yes, I want us to travel. Let's go to Dubai.
Dubai. Yes.
I bought our tickets already.
Oh my God. For real?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Okay.
Finally. God has finally blessed my children. Eh? God has put my enemies to shame. If any me fight hey, Chukunna.
Mama. Mama, you were shocked the day we came to the village to pick you, right?
Obviously.
Are you kidding me? Eh? Egamaka. If you like it, but if you don't, I mean, look at me. I've been healed of that cough that has been troubling me for years. And to crown it all, I am back on my feet. Now wearing wig. If I never quite.
Mama, that wig is fine. It's fine.
Okay, I wanted to pull it off.
Mama, it's always important to put our trust in God.
Yes, so that's what I've always thought. You know that's your friend, Ifeanyi. I never believed. To think that he came back for you.
But Mama, I told you he would come back. You never believed.
Well, I eventually believed, though. That's why I let go of the land. Most people wouldn't even come back.
Maiden, when she said she wasn't going to give that I shouldn't trust him. Eventually,
I was just being a protective mother. By the way, when is he coming back again?
Well, he didn't say, but we both agreed to do business.
Hey! Chineke! Doors are opening. That is what you've been praying for. But my final prayer on your heads, is that God will bless you people. And bless you people with tiny feet. Don't work that will be running around all over the place. I will go step. I will that. Mommy, I will take grandma. I will. Amen. Hey. I am happy to be here. Because with that wine you people gave me last night, can I have more?
Mama, it has alcohol.
I want alcohol.
Ifeanyi. Yes, my brother. I've received the goods. Thank you very much.
Come on now. Stop it, Soshima. Huh? You don't need to thank me now. You deserve it, bro. So, how's your wife doing?
She's doing fine. Thank you so much for asking. So how's business over there?
Business is fine, I thank God. And then again, if any of the goods are needed, don't hesitate to tell me, okay? So I can rebuild them as soon as possible.
That's no problem, no problem. We're sure going to be good business friends, businessmen, yeah. Alright, thank you.
Alright bro, alright now. Okay, greet mama for me, okay, and your wife.
All the best, alright, thank you.
Hi.
What? Mama? Or Guinea?
Nah. The food is too tasty. Hi.
I know.
This my wife can cook.
Mama, my wife, she's not a good cook. She is an amazing cook.
Rico, allow me to be the one to praise her.
She's a chef.
Okay.
International chef.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
I don't know where you learnt this from. Rico, permit me to book for tomorrow's food.
Mama.
Mama, please.
Mama, you pay for it.
Aye.
What would you like to have tomorrow?
Pounded yam and
Finsala.
Mama, you have come. Mama.
Wait, this time live chicken.
Mama, you don't want fried rice. I thought you were going to say fried rice and chicken.
I knew she was going to say first.
Fried rice. Rice is Philmond.
Mama, you don't have to.
Right.
I'll make it for you too.
Big one. So Chima, this one you're passing my wife. Remember, you have not paid part of the bride price. Before our people will come and take her. Both of us will suffer.
Mama, you're right. I'll do that as soon as possible. But come to think of it, I just remembered something. There was a time when I could not afford.
Don't take us back there.
Even the carton of beer to come see my people was a problem.
No.
Look at us today.
I paid 4,000 naira on you.
You did not pay complete. You didn't pay complete.
If I tell you how we made up that carton of beer,
Mama, you don't have to say that like that.
Sorry, you're not a big man. So
Mama, calm down. You don't have to put it that way. But honestly, you were giving to me for 4,000 naira.
You didn't pay complete.
Mama, that was when I realized that God is on my side. How can they give me this beautiful, tall glass of wine, dark skin, for 4,000 naira?
Hey! Mama.
You were giving to me for just 4,000 naira.
She's eating and spending
That
more
was
than
when I knew
4,000.
that God is on my side. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I was just thinking about what Mama said. Babe.
Yeah.
It's high time you settle with my people the debt you owe them.
Yeah, you're right. I didn't like the fact that Mama reminded me. But it's okay. I'll meet with your people and make sure I do the needful.
You know, I'm happy. At least now we can afford whatever they want. Unlike before, we were ashamed, hiding.
I know. I even have a better plan. Yes. So after settling your people, paying the bride price and everything, I'd like us to do the traditional wedding as soon as possible. At once.
Oh,
Yes.
I love that idea.
You do?
Yes.
Great. I want to keep appreciating you for loving me unconditionally and also standing by me. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Thank you. Okay, it's time to shower.
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper. 'Cause I do not know what future holds for me. Whichever way, and come what may, I know I won't regret anything. It doesn't matter what they say. Oh, Ogomadu mere na suru yofia. Na sufia. Good works.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Inegekwa. Wait, oh, is that not Sochima? And in Kem Dilem of yesterday? Hey, Wabiakwanene. Mana, wait, oh, how come? How manage? Kidienda mekatano wa wekbate. Oh, I thought as much. I foresee. Wait, so it's true that Sochima actually sold his only land just to help his friend Ifani travel Obodo Ibo. And now Ifani came back and gave him money with moto. Okay. Asikwam otunda sinokata we buy go overnight. Inside moto. Mbono wa Jesus. Hey! Daluchi hola. Daluchi.
My children, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I'm happy that you people are here. You remember what happened then, and you've come to conclude the marriage rite. I appreciate it a lot. This shows that you have respect for tradition and that you love our daughter very well.
Thank you so much for your kindness and your words of encouragement. We appreciate everything you have done for us.
Yes, sir.
And we shall reward you.
Yes. I'm happy again to see both of you in this good condition. That's the reason I was telling Chukulete to allow you people to marry. See, nobody knows tomorrow. Eh?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'll get in touch with my younger ones and we'll fix a date. I'll inform you.
Thank you very much, sir. I'll be expecting to hear from all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
What am I saying? Uncle? Oh, I'm fine. Are you?
Uncle, how are you, sir?
Oh, my dear, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Uncle, we were on our way to your place.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yeah.
I hope all is well. I do not expect to see you now, but for me to have seen you, that means I hope all is well.
Oh.
All is well, Uncle. It's just that my husband, Sochima, is ready to complete my bride price.
Exactly.
So
Really?
I decided to come and see you.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good news. If that's the case, anytime you are ready, I'm ready.
Thank you. We're ready, sir.
That's good. That's
We're
good.
always ready.
So this is good.
It's one of them, Uncle.
Just one of them.
Yes, one of them.
That is wonderful.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You are class, baby.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you.
Anyway, let me reserve the other thing for.
Where are you going?
Yeah, I'm already heading for a meeting.
Okay, meeting. Why don't we drop you off?
Yes.
Oh, that's splendid. Where will I pass? Here or come? Let me go now.
See?
Mm-hmm.
See?
No, go back.
Okay, this one.
This one.
Yep.
Ooh.
And I was going to tell you. What do you think about building a house for Mama?
My mother.
Yeah.
Babe, I don't think there is really any need for building a new house. I mean, I do not have a brother, so there will be no one to inherit it. I'll suggest Mama come to the city to live with us instead.
Is that what you want? How about
we could renovate. Yes, we could renovate, paint, make it look new. I mean, we have lots of projects at hand. I don't really think building a house now is a good idea.
Are you sure? Is that what you want?
Yes.
I only wanted to make your mother happy.
She's happy.
Yeah, for giving you to me. Okay. You're the boss, so whatever you say.
No, I'm not the boss. Ifeanyi, is he coming back for a wedding?
Ifeanyi, that guy. Listen, he said he wants to surprise me. So I don't know what type of surprises he wants.
Ifeanyi is full of surprises.
Surprises. I was going to say that, so yeah.
Oh my god. I know, right?
So you don't want us to build a house for your mother? Final answer, no.
We are done with that conversation. I said we should renovate.
Okay, that's fine. Sorted.
Hello, Mama.
Hello.
Uncle Chukwulota could not believe his eyes when he saw us.
Really?
Yes. He needed to have seen the way he was staring at us.
Thank God you did not listen to his advice.
Thank God, though. At least now I am happy with the man that I love. Mama, Chukwulota will never change. Do you know he still abuses his daughters for not bringing him rich in-laws?
Chukwuleta change. Story. That will be in his next world. That man will never change. Oh. Your father is better than him.
He will never change. Thank God he's not my father, Mama. But then Uncle Chukwulota is still my uncle, so I will look after him no matter what.
Yes, you are right. He really tried for us.
Yes. Okay, then I'll call you back some other time. Oh, I got to go. I love you. Bye.
I chose to do good. No one can can stop me. I chose to be a helper, 'cause I do not know what future holds for me. Whichever way.
I'll call you back. Just give me a few minutes.
Okay.
Hey.
What are you doing? I was looking for you.
You're right.
Yes, we're done.
Thank you. So happy. So happy.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Our new wedded wife,
Yes.
right?
Thank you.
This is some American shit.
Hey.
For you, my bro. For you, my bro. For you, my bro.
Hey.
For you, my bro. For you, my bro.
Spray mama, spray mama. Come on, spray mama, spray mama.
Mama the mama.
Spray.
You are happy.
Hey.
After you are telling me how look at you.
It's okay. Let's go. It's okay. Well, let's go. Mama, thank you.
This is my money.
Yeah.
This is my money, yes. Yeah, hold on.
Our money, yes.
This money is meant for me.
Look at you, eh?
Let's go. Mama, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Who is going to bring me money? Let me
Oh, yeah, big boy, eh? Why not big boy, eh?
Was that not the one who was paying the school fees that time?
Big boy, eh? Look at big boy.
I was paying the school fees then. How can I get your money for
You can't believe that.
Hey, wait.
Good work pays, oh, good work pays, oh. Ogomadu mere na suru yofia. Obie belegi gedugi oh. Good work pays.
But have you seen it now? Kendili is now happy in her marriage. But you've been a barrier to me and my sister from getting married in this house. Any man that comes to ask for our hand in marriage, you chase him away. That he's not rich, that he's this, he's that, he's poor. Now look at us. Me and my sister now, we are just in this house. No other man is coming to ask for our hand in marriage. You are getting old. Just take a look at Nkendili. She's happy in her marriage. With the same man you chased out of this compound years ago. Is she not happy in her home now? Were you not the same person that blessed her marriage? Ah, Papa, we are going to remain in this house with you. Me and my sister will grow old in this house with you since no man is coming for our hand in marriage anymore. Now we are going to remain here with you. We will remain in this house with you.
Is that what you're saying? Yeah. No, you better pray hard though. Because those men that were coming for your hand in marriage, are they not still available? Please call them now, I need them. Because you never can tell. Probably they are the ones whose destiny will change again and change your own. But I still pray, will their destiny change my own? Let them come. I am waiting for them. I am ready to marry you out to them this time around. Yeah. Me change destiny. Okay.
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper, 'cause I do not know what future holds for me. Whichever way, and come what may, I know I won't regret anything. It doesn't matter what they say. Ogomadu mere na suru yofia. Ogona sufia. Good work pays. Of course, good works to pay. Your good works are not in vain. Good work pays. I do not mind distractions. I do not want to know what they say. I just to follow what my heart tells me, 'cause I know it is a direction from the Lord.